Hi, great people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are in the world. This is Sarah again, and in today's vlog, I just want you to come along with me. Let's make an order together. Just basically spend my day with me, actually. So today I have an errand to run for the family, and then I would make a soup for a customer. Basically, I'm at the bus stop right now waiting for the bus, and then once the bus comes, I'll go to the place where I have to like check out one or two things for our family business. From there I'll go shopping for the soup, and then from there I would prepare the soup and then deliver it, basically. So yeah, it's a couple of minutes past 1. Let's see how this goes, and the delivery is for 6. See you later. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, so I've come down from the bus, and I am going now, or rather I have arrived my first destination. Let me put it that way. I'm going now to the location where I'm going to run my first errand, and basically I just said that let me let you know what it is. We run a shortlet business in the city where we live, Liverpool precisely. So we are entitled, like we are supposed to usually ensure that when guests check out, we make sure all the procedures, the checkout procedures are done right, and everything is well, and the property is safe after guest checkout, usually during or after. So now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if everything was done right, all appliances are turned off, and you know what I mean. So just basically ensuring that the checkout procedure was done well. So I'll see you when I get there. Bye. Yeah, so I'm here now, so I'm basically just checking and do what I have to do. I've picked the key from the security lock, and I'm opening the door now. Let's see what's going on. You always get welcomed with meals. Necessary and unnecessary. Yeah, so here we are. Yeah, to be honest, most of the time the guests are very reasonable and they do what they're expected to do, and as I can see, everywhere is okay. Turn on the lights. Yeah, it looks okay to me anyways. Yeah, doesn't look like it's not well maintained, or rather it's not well used. And yeah, let me just check the kitchen. I need to check the light is off. Bathroom here and the kitchen, everywhere is neat, to be honest. The lights are off, everything is just okay. Yeah, I'll go upstairs now and check, and after that we move. I've checked other things, whether there's any leaking place or stuff. Just check the room now. Yeah. From what I can see, the room is okay. The bathroom, everywhere is okay. So let me just come and go to my shopping peacefully. No time to check time. It's almost 2 o'clock now. So I'll see you at the shopping mall. Take care, y'all. So I was going to walk to the shopping mall. It's actually not too far, maybe like 10-15 minutes walk. But I was like, since I have like a full week ticket, why not just take advantage and save some time and energy, you know what I mean? So yeah, see one bus just passed. Anyway, let's see. Anyway, I'll just take a bus to the shopping mall and boom boom boom, shop. Just keep thinking with me. Let me just take this bus peacefully. I was going to take another one, but no. Let me just take this one, because I mean, there's an African store here, but there's an African and international store there where I can get most of the things I have. So let me just take advantage. Entry now.
Now choose the item. Please scan the item, place the item on the scanner to start.
So anyway, everything is basically down. How are you going? Thank you.
Sorry.
You know I don't like that.
And you also don't like
You know what I mean? Yeah, let me just see. Yeah,
Yes, please. A body.
yeah, come on.
I'm done shopping on my way back home now. Right at my last bus stop. Hiya. I've been back. Like I came back perhaps 30-45 minutes ago, but in order to beat time, I had to quickly wash the meat, put it on fire, and then just do a little bit of tidying up so I don't have control over the meat, so it can keep boiling while I do this, right? So yeah, I'll just take care of the other ingredients now. I have to like blend the granite and then possibly just, yeah, clean up, tidy up a bit, and I'll get back to you soon. In the meantime, just see what I'm making. This is the assorted meat. Ooh, this is the assorted meat. Basically everything is assorted anyways, so yeah. And this is the gizzard, if you can see it. Yeah, here you go. Checking on the cow meat and shaki, and let's hope it's looking the part. So let me just go and prepare other ingredients. Gizzard, I've tasted it, soft now. Yeah, so the next step is to blend this granite paste. I have prepared granite with some scotch bonnet, bell pepper and chili. I'm aware of the availability of already made granite paste, but I mean, I just like to make from the scratch when I'm able to, you get what I mean. Health, and a lot of times the packaged things are not exactly what it is claimed to be, so just bear with me. We'll finish it up in a minute and boom boom boom, all set. See you. Sorry, I'm eating granite. Well, see, my blessed people, as at the time I showed you the soup being ready, it was already 5:30. I had to just quickly book a taxi and deliver it, because remember it's for 6 o'clock. So yeah, it's a couple of minutes past 6 now, and I have delivered, and now I have the liberty to take any bus I want or any transport means just to save money. So I'm taking a bus. and I'll see you soon. Hi, blessed people. I'm back home from my delivery, and yep, it's time for dinner. I'll just quickly make dinner and we'll eat. So in case if you don't see my face again today or in this vlog, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I hope you picked a thing or two. At the end of the day, the most important thing is be happy, be blessed, and make an impact in someone's life. So yeah, I just contributed mine now today, and I hope you make up your mind to do that. Also, God bless you, and I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye bye. You know all those memes where typically the chef will serve and do all the lovey-dovey things for guests and other people, and then they will now serve rubbish for themselves. Not rubbish anyways, but like just serve themselves anyhow. This is typical example. Let me show you something. See the way I've wrapped other people's on. See, very neat and scintillating. See the way I just dumped mine. Please, what matters is the end point, which is the stomach being satisfied. See you later.